Hello everyone. Before coming to the main section of the video, there is a information for all the fisheries officer and extension officer aspirants that a group named Vine Mentorship Services has taken initiative to organize Matsya test series exclusively for fisheries officer and extension officer aspirants. There will be 15 tests, 100 MCQ based questions, overall ranking will be provided, test will be prepared by fisheries expert and their target is to cover whole BFSC syllabus in 45 days. All India rank will be provided and offer price for this test series is 399 rupees. Registration opens from 18 June to 23rd June. Then this is their Instagram ID, Vine Mentorship Services. You can follow them there and contact number is on the screen. So if you all are interested, you can contact them and all the aspirant must join this test series as it will be a huge benefit for them for their success. Okay, thank you. In this video, we will be dealing with fisheries administration and legislation, some points related to it which is very useful for your JRF as well as fisheries officer and extension officer exams. So let's start with fisheries administration legislation important points. First point is Indian Constitution divided the legislative power between center and state, that is they made concurrent list, union list and state list through Article 256. Then power to local bodies came into force in 1992 through the amendment of Constitution 73rd and 74th. Article 48A mentions directive principles to protect environment. Wildlife Protection Act came into force in 1972. Full form of CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species. Then Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act came into force in 1974. Then Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act came into force in 1981. Environment Protection Act came into force in 1986. United Nations International Law of Sea came into force in 1982. Coastal Regulation Zone Notification 1991. Then criteria to judge contribution to GDP from fishery sector or agriculture sector is by sectoral growth. Sectoral growth is the criteria to judge contribution to GDP. Then full form of NSSO is National Sample Survey Organization. Then coastal fisheries are matter of state subject. Coastal fisheries is the matter of state subject and all coastal states takes the power of coastal fisheries. The development of coastal fisheries through 1951-1956 5-year plan and first two 5-year plan focused on motorization of fishing vessel and mechanization and development of fishing vessels. Then third 5-year plan focused on export. Then fourth 5-year plan focused on fishing harbors and fifth and sixth focused on deep sea exploration. Declaration of 200 miles EEZ exclusive economic zone is in 1977. Indian Marine Fishing Policy 2000, it was drawn in 2000 and it was adopted in 2004. Indian Marine Fishing Policy adopted in 2004, it was made or drawn in 2000. Then territorial water is the matter of state subject. Beyond territorial water, that is in exclusive economic zone area, it is the matter of central government. Then the Patents Act came into force in 1970. Act amended in March 1999. The Design Act came into force in 1911. Trade and Merchandise Act, Marks Act came into 1958 and New Trade and Merchandise Act came into force in 1999. Then Copyright Act 1957, Geographical Indication of Goods Act 1999, Indian Contracts Act 1872. Then Article 14 mentions right to equality. Article 15 gives no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, creed, religion or sex. Then NTFP full form, Non-Timber Forest Product. Indian Fisheries Act 1897. MZI, that is Maritime Zone of India, that regulation of fishing by foreign vessel 1981. Then MZI rules or MZI rules in 1982. Then Institution to look for offshore and deep sea fisheries 1972, that is MPDA. MPDA is an institution to look for offshore and deep sea fisheries and it is also responsible for the certification of vessels and for the trade purpose also certification is done by MPDA. Certificating authority is MPDA. Then MPDA set up in 1972. IOTC full form, Indian Ocean Tuna Commission. RFMO full form Regional Fisheries Management Organization. Then Karnataka Marine Fishing Regulation Act 1986. ESA full form Ecologically Sensitive Areas. EIA full form Environmental Impact Assessment. Air Act 1981, that is Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, it was amended in 1987. United Nations Conference on Human Environment, it is 1972. Then National Environment Policy 2006. Water Act, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, amended in 1988. Then ex situ conservation includes that conservation in zoo and germplasm conservation. Germplasm conservation and conservation in zoo is ex situ form of conservation. मीन्स इसमें जो भी ऑर्गेनिज्म को हम लोग को कंजर्व करना होता है वो उनके नेटिव प्लेस से हटा के हम लोग उनके हैबिटेट से हटा के उनको कंजर्व कर रहे होते हैं. और इन सिटू कंजर्वेशन जिस हैबिटेट में वो रहते हैं वहीं पे उनको अगर हम लोग कंजर्व करेंगे तो इन सिटू कंजर्वेशन है. इन सिटू कंजर्वेशन इंक्लूड्स नेशनल पार्क एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ MPAs मरीन प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ WSSD World Summit on Sustainable Development, that is 2002. Full form of COP Conference of Parties. Full form of CBD Convention on Biological Diversity. IUCN International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. ICM Integrated Coastal and Ocean Management. Indian Forest Act 1927. CCA full form Community Conserved Areas. NTCA full form National Tiger Conservation Authority, set up in 2006. India's first marine sanctuary and national park founded in Gulf of Kutch, Jamnagar district of Gujarat, 1980 and 1982. First Forest Conservation Act 1980, National Forest Policy 1988, and full form of JFM is Joint Forest Management. Biological Diversity Act 2002. Then SBB is full form is State Biodiversity Board. NBA National Biodiversity Authority. BMC Biodiversity Management Committee. Then Indian Fisheries Act 1897 focused on both marine and inland sector until Marine Fishing Regulation Act was formed that focused on marine sector. Then Indian Fisheries Act focused on inland sector. Water body less than 20 hectare is managed by FFDA. Less than 100 hectare Gram Panchayat, then less than 100 to 300 hectare that is Jila Panchayat, and greater than 300 hectare it is managed by State Fishery Department. Land Reforms Act 1974 amended in 1995. Land Acquisition Act 1894. Wetland Conservation and Management Rules 2010. Coastal Aquaculture Authority Act 2005. MOEF full form is Ministry of Environment and Forest. NCZMA is National Coastal Zone Management Authority. CGWA is Central Groundwater Authority. Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954. GEAC is Genetic Engineering Approved Committee. Then FSSA is Food Safety and Standard Act established in 2006. NWAFO is Northwest Atlantic Fisheries Organization. Then Prohibition of Drift Net Fishing in 1989. And then FAO adopted Code of Conduct for Responsible Fisheries in 1995. CCRF is Code of Conduct for Responsible Fisheries. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for your patience. Keep sharing the video and stay safe. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.